first year, breaking the myth that opportunities only come later. That's the kind of impact that truly sets him apart. Today is not a professional technique, but also a founder building a real world solution and at the same time mentoring students who are going through the same phase he once did. He has worked closely with aspiring developers, helping them shift from just consuming content to actually creating and shipping meaningful work. His journey is a reminder that you don't need perfect conditions to start. You need consistency, curiosity, and the courage to build. Please join me in welcoming Jaideep Prasad. A round of applause presenting Jaideep Prasad on stage. Now I welcome our VP sir to felicitate Mr. Prasad.
I think before we start, so just wanted to highlight. Hi everyone, I'm Jaideep. Parvez has been a great friend of mine. We have worked together in the past. The kind of vision he has, especially for Northeast, right? The students in Northeast, how they should learn, how engineering is evolving, and this vision that he's bringing here from working at places like in Bangalore, right? He has come here and is sort of started this, right? The vision he has is really commendable. So just wanted to have a round of applause for him, the kind of vision he's having.
Thanks for your kind words. For everyone, his name is Jaideep Prasad, but I call him JD. So, it will come in the flow that I won't be taking his full name, that is Jaideep, and I hope it's fine with you for a larger audience.
Absolutely.
So, JD, the reason behind, calling you here, right? And, I'm not going to follow this cue cards. You know my style. So I will go spontaneous, right? So the reason why I called you here, whatever you have seen, how the industry is evolving, right? And there is a bridge gap, right? If I talk about the academia or let's say the industry. So what do you think we should, or let's say the institute, or let's say industry should focus, and majorly from a student standpoint, what students should do, where should they focus, and how should they prioritize, that prioritization level.
Yeah, sure. That's a great question. I think most of the students who join in their first year, right, they're often confused, right? What should they do? Because there are so many opportunities, so many things to do. At the same time, I feel even with AI in the picture, by now I'm sure सब लोगों ने चैट जीपीटी, जेमिनाई, क्लॉड ये सब यूज कर लिया है. I think it has become so much more important to focus on the fundamentals. तो fundamentals पे focus करना उतना ही और जरूरी हो गया है जितना probably 10 साल पहले नहीं था, right? Because still things like AI and chat GPT were not in the picture, but now since they are in the picture, तो उतना ही फोकस ऑन फंडामेंटल्स, आपके डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एल्गोरिदम्स. तो राइट फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट ईयर आप जितना ज्यादा उस पर फोकस करें और उसके एप्लीकेशंस पे, नॉट जस्ट रीडिंग द थियरी पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट एक्चुअली मैचिंग इट विथ रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स या रियल लाइफ सोल्यूशंस. राइट, लेट्स से आप कोई एक पर्टिकुलर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट, लेट्स से यू आर स्टडिंग अबाउट क्यू और स्टैक्स, राइट, तो उसको कैसे आप रियल लाइफ किसी सोल्यूशन के साथ सिम्युलेट करें, मैप करें. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट द रियल मैजिक लाइज, कि जहां पे आप जो पढ़ रहे हैं उसके साथ कोई रियल सोल्यूशनिंग के साथ इफ यू कैन मैच योर सोल्यूशन, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट स्टूडेंट शुड फोकस इन देयर वेरी फर्स्ट ईयर्स, राइट. सो फोकस ऑन बेसिक्स, फोकस ऑन फंडामेंटल्स. जितने भी ये सब एआई आ रहा है मार्केट में, इट इज देयर टू हेल्प यू डू वट एवर यू आर डूइंग 10x फास्टर, राइट, टू इम्प्रूव योर एफिशिएंसी. आप जो कर रहे हैं वो और 10 गुना जल्दी कर सकते हो विथ एआई. तो आई थिंक एआई आएगा लेटर इन द पिक्चर व्हेन यू स्टार्ट, बट अर्ली ऑन फोकस एज मच ऑन द फंडामेंटल्स एज पॉसिबल. तो आई थिंक वो उस चीज पे अगर फोकस रखा जा सके तो आई थिंक इट विल बी गुड फॉर एवरीवन.
Cool, fair. So my next question to you be, so I basically want to understand, from your lens, and if I, compare, let's say, tier one cities, right? A student in Guwahati, you know, how can they can get the taste of global exposure?
Right. I think one thing about global exposure is now that everyone has internet, right? Thanks to Geo, it has opened the world. So there's this website called GitHub.com, right? जहाँ पे दुनिया भर के projects listed रहते हैं, ठीक है? So this is what open source is all about वैसे. So open source is a great way to get an exposure to international projects and work with international people, right? So I think just to answer your question, to get that international exposure as early as possible, to get that global exposure, I think open source is the best way. You get to interact with so many new people who are sitting in countries like Germany, Amsterdam, right, Netherlands. So वहाँ के लोगों के साथ आप काम करते हो, जो नेटवर्क आप बिल्ड करते हो, I think that takes you a very long way. So definitely, just to get the international exposure, I think open source is the way, hands down.
Great. So, I am aware of completely what is open source, how, this works. So, for a larger audience, can you just explain us what is open source, and how this works and why this is important?
Yeah, sure. So बहुत ही simple terms में, any project that is publicly available, right? जिसमें आप changes कर सकते हो, you can make any modifications. For example, let's say, so Google Chrome is a web browser. I'm sure बहुत लोगों ने Google Chrome use किया होगा, है ना? So Google Chrome is a open source software. So you can actually make changes. आपको कुछ भी, let's say आपको Google Chrome का color नहीं पसंद है, you can actually change the color of Google Chrome, right? That's how customizable it is, open source. तो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ओपन सोर्स इज. एनी पब्लिक सॉफ्टवेयर, जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर पब्लिकली अवेलेबल है और आप उसमें चेंजेस कर सकते हैं, दैट इज लिटरली व्हाट ओपन सोर्स इज. अब नाउ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम्स अराउंड बिल्ड अराउंड ओपन सोर्स टू प्रमोट ओपन सोर्स. जैसे गूगल समर ऑफ कोड इज वन ऑफ दोस प्रोग्राम्स, LFX इज वन ऑफ दोस प्रोग्राम्स. द पर्सन बिफोर मी, पार्थ, ही हैज क्रैक्ड बोथ. So I think these programs are there to encourage you, but open source in general is a much larger world जहाँ पे different projects, different companies have made their projects public और आप वहाँ पे जाके contribute कर सकते हो, आप उन projects में जाके changes कर सकते हो. So that is open source kind of.
Cool. So, continuing this, I know that you have cracked 2 times GSOC, that is Google Summer of Code, and this you have cracked during your engineering days. So, which year you were at that time when you cracked GSOC?
That was my first year of college.
First year of engineering.
Yeah.
Super cool. So, can you let us help us? Why? How you did it? How you got to know, or let's say, how did you explore the most important question about open source? Because at that time, back if I talk about a student of first year doing his or her engineering, right? It's not that easy, to get into open source.
Yeah, I would say it's the same thing. So Mark Zuckerberg, I'm sure everyone knows, he's the CEO and founder of Facebook, right? He got access to a computer. His father gave him a computer when he was 7 years old. और वो उस टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पे किसी के पास कंप्यूटर्स या लैपटॉप्स होते नहीं थे, राइट? सो व्हाट दैट डिड टू हिम, दैट गेव हिम द अर्ली एडवांटेज. उसको जल्दी चीजें पता चल गई पहले कंप्यूटर्स के बारे में, एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही कुड थिंक ऑफ आइडियाज लाइक फेसबुक. तो आई थिंक इट वाज द सेम थिंग. तो इवन इन माय फर्स्ट ईयर आई वाज एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग अ लॉट, ऑल्दो अदर माय कॉलेज मेट्स वर नॉट. सो आई वाज एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग अ लॉट. आई वाज फिगरिंग थिंग्स आउट ऑन द इंटरनेट कि यार क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नया है. So I just came across open source and I just decided to explore it, है ना? As simple as that. तो explore करो, experiment करो, चीजें try out करो, and probably something will stick for you, है ना? कोई चीज आपको बहुत interest कर जाएगी and you will continue doing it. So I would say start experimenting and exploring as early as possible to land on the right opportunity. So that's the same thing which I followed, right? I started doing things very early, and that's the Google Summer of Code thing just happened to work out. So, but yeah, like I would say for anyone and everyone, start experimenting, start doing things as early as possible.
Got it. So, I have seen, a lot of students, and you know it, right? Personally, in my last 18 years of experience, I have, encountered more than, thousands of kids, and their parents, right? So I have seen one thing in common, right? Where nowadays, let's say, a good number of chunk of students, they keep adding, let's say, this skill, this courses, and they just keep adding it courses and certificates and, etc., etc., right? But this doesn't help them, help a recruiter, to recruit. So right now we know this situation, right? How, tech is evolving, and, industry is moving, right? So what a student should focus, so that, he or she can see early success, or let's say recruiter can, spotlight them.
Yeah, so one thing that the industry is going towards, है ना, जिस direction में job recruiters या HRs are looking for people, it's not anymore कि आपने क्या projects बनाए हैं, because हम सबको पता है चैट जीपीटी आ गया है, कोई कुछ भी बना सकता है with चैट जीपीटी. So आपने क्या projects बनाए, मतलब if it's a boring project, no one would care about. If you're solving some real life problem statement, let's say आपके जिंदगी में कोई problem है, ठीक है, या फिर आपके 10 friends around you are facing that problem, और आपने उसके लिए कोई solution build किया है, so that is a good project to have. So build projects जितना niche हो सकता है, जितने छोटे problem statement के लिए हो सकता है, it might look small but it would be unique, है ना? So I would highly recommend to do that. One thing that recruiters look for is proof of work, right? Resumes are dead, I feel. So what I mean by proof of work is basically, convincing someone that you can do the work, right? That's essentially what proof of work is. So proof of work can be built on these places like github.com, as I mentioned, especially for developers, yeah, for techies who are going into that industry. If you are a designer, you can, use things like, Figma or Behance, right? Where you can create your portfolios there. So proof of work is the future. How many real life problem statements you can solve and show to the world, use social media as much as possible, use platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, right? Post about what you are building, and you're good to go, right? So that's exactly what the HRs are looking for, right? Is your proof of work. So if you can build your proof of work, you're good to go.
Great. So as you mentioned, resume, right? I personally feel, and I have, witnessed this lot many times. So now the new resume is your LinkedIn, right? So can you tell us something on LinkedIn, why your presence should be there on LinkedIn, right? And why networking is important? It's very, very important. Why?
आई थिंक अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल इसका होगा कि अगर आपको कुछ बेचना है, लेट्स से अगर आपको टमाटर बेचना है, तो आप कहाँ पे जाओगे? आप वहां पे जाओगे जहां पे खरीदार हैं, जहां पे लोग आएंगे टमाटर खरीदने के लिए, राइट? सो इट्स द सेम एनालॉजी. तो लिंक्डइन इज अ प्लेस वेयर एचआरस हैंग आउट, वेयर पीपल हु आर हायरिंग दे हैंग आउट, they search for people. If you want to get into the industry, it's a very simple solution, that you create a LinkedIn profile, you go sell yourselves. So that is why selling yourself is also very important, that how you portray yourself, what you are building. आप जो भी बना रहे हो, आप जो भी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप जिस चीज में भी काम कर रहे हो, आप किसी कंपनी में इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो, सारी चीजें पब्लिकली करो. You post about what you are doing, you show the world, because what will happen is one post of yours might attract a particular HR. Let's say कोई HR from Zomato, some HR from Microsoft sees your post, and they get the attention. यार इसने ये कुछ अच्छा कर रहा है या कर रही है, so they will reach out to you, right? The HRs reach out to you on LinkedIn. A lot of people don't know about it. They think that सिर्फ apply करना होता है, but you actually get DMs, you actually get emails from recruiters. So I would say that's a simple analogy. कि अगर आपको अपने आप को बेचना है, अगर आपको वहां पे जाना है जहां पे आपको जॉब चाहिए, LinkedIn is the place. As simple as that. So create a LinkedIn profile as early as possible. Show your proof of work. List out your projects. List out your experiences, and you are good to go.
Great. So my next question will be, a lot of students learn tech stacks, right? But they struggle to solve real problems, okay? And they feel they felt something called a little disconnect, right? So a student, let's say in any of the engineering year, right? So what are the things they should focus, or they should pick, so that they can solve real life problems, or let's say they build things?
यार टेक स्टैक का मोस्ट फनी थिंग इज दैट कि बहुत सारे टेक स्टैक्स हैं आउट देयर एंड पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. आई थिंक टेक स्टैक ऐसे नहीं सीखना चाहिए. आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन बनाना है, उसमें जो चीज लगेगी, राइट. सो फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से यू आर बिल्डिंग अ फूड डिलीवरी ऐप, टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल. तो उसका यूज केस वुड बी कि लोगों के पास फोन्स हैं, राइट. तो लोगों को प्रॉब्ली अपने हाथों में चाहिए. कोई लैपटॉप खोल के फूड डिलीवरी नहीं करेगा, राइट. फूड ऑर्डर नहीं करेगा. तो उसके लिए प्रॉब्ली मोबाइल ऐप बनाना पड़ेगा. सो देन यू लर्न द डोमेन ऑफ मोबाइल ऐप डेवलपमेंट. यू लर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज लाइक एंड्रॉइड डेवलपमेंट, फ्लटर डेवलपमेंट. बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज है टू डू मोबाइल ऐप. तो फिर आप एक डोमेन सीखते हो. तो आई वुड से टू लर्न एनी टेक स्टैक और एनी डोमेन, सिंस इतने सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, यू पिक अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. यू पिक अ पर्टिकुलर नीश कि जहां का प्रॉब्लम आप सॉल्व करना चाहते हो, और उसमें देखो कि वो किस टेक स्टैक से अच्छा बन सकता है, जहां पे आपके टारगेट ऑडियंस उसको यूज करेंगे. So if you can find that and you can choose the tech stack, please use this logic rather than कि अच्छा ये tech stack अच्छा लग रहा है दिखने में, इसको सीख लेते हैं. तो that is the biggest mistake you can do.
One thing which is right now it's going in trend, right? And many of us, or let's say not completely aware कि इसको कैसे use करना है, ये है क्या, right? And सबसे ज़्यादा है लोगों में fear, right? That is that two-letter word. I hope तुम्हें समझ में आ गया. बताओ क्या है? It's AI, right? Can you throw some light on it? Whether a student or let's say anyone, whether they should fear or they should learn how to adopt it.
I think I covered it in the very initial parts. With so many options now, especially with AI in the picture, right? It's so easy to build anything, right? Coding, AI is able to code, right? ChatGPT को आप कुछ बोलोगे वो code कर देगा. The more important part still remains your fundamentals. ठीक है, आपको वो चीज बनी कैसी है, व्हाट्स द आर्किटेक्चर बिहाइंड इट, व्हाट्स द सिस्टम डिजाइन बिहाइंड इट. ये जो कोर कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं ऑफ बीइंग अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, बीइंग अ कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक यू नीड टू लर्न दीज थिंग्स एंड इस पे अपना फोकस बनाए रखना पड़ेगा. एआई तो आएगा एंड इवन मच मोर इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स आर इन द पाइपलाइन जो अभी अनाउंस होने वाले. तो थिंग्स विल गेट डिसरप्टेड. सो वन थिंग आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्लियर एज वेल कि देयर वाज अ टाइम, एक इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन आया था जहां पे फैक्ट्रीज बनी थी और बहुत लोगों ने जॉब अपना गवा दिया था, बट बहुत लोगों को जॉब मिला भी था. नए जॉब्स वेर क्रिएटेड एंड इवन हाई पेइंग जॉब्स. तो इट्स अ सिमिलर सिचुएशन वी आर राइट नाउ. सो लॉट ऑफ दीज ट्रेडिशनल जॉब्स ऑफ फुल स्टैक डेवलपर ये सब जा रहे हैं. न्यू रोल्स आर ओपनिंग अप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर इज अ रोल, फॉरवर्ड डिप्लॉयड इंजीनियर इज अ रोल. तो ये रोल्स ओपन हो रहे हैं and these are paying highly as well, right? So you have to be always on the forefront. You have to know where the industry is moving towards, क्या किन roles में hiring चल रही है, और उसके अराउंड आपको अपस्किल करना पड़ेगा. सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज स्टे अपडेटेड विद द इंडस्ट्री इज व्हाट आई वुड से. किस टाइप के रोल्स आ रहे हैं और उसके क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, उस हिसाब से आप अपने आप को अपस्किल करिए. सो कीप अपस्किलिंग योरसेल्व्स बट स्टिल कीप अ गुड फोकस ऑन द फंडामेंटल्स.
If someone, a student, let's say at the age of let's say 16 or 17, what are the benefits they can take out by using any of the LLM, and what exactly they should do?
I think in India especially, right, there are so many problems at the ground level, right? If you go to villages, you go to tier 2 tier 3 cities, I think बहुत सारे problems है which are still not solved. I think AI gives you that leverage that you can start solving those problems. You can start thinking about those people which जो आप पहले नहीं कर पा रहे थे. तो go to tier 2 cities, go to tier 3 cities, see what the real India looks like. और रियल इंडिया ट्रस्ट में बहुत डिफरेंट लुक करती है देन योर बिग सिटीज इन बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, राइट? सो सॉल्व फॉर रियल इंडिया. आई थिंक विद एआई इन द पिक्चर, विद एलएलएम्स का एक्सेस बीइंग सो ओपन टू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स शुड ट्राई टू सॉल्व फॉर द रियल इंडिया एंड देयर इज ह्यूज स्कोप. देयर इज अ कंपनी कॉल्ड सर्वम, right, which is solving specifically for India, and it's a very foundational AI company. So I would say that more such companies should come out of India. So I think that access students should use and build something specifically for the kind of problems that we have in portions of India that are undiscovered.
And what's your take between let's say theory versus practical learning?
Like, I think it's very a cliche these days, but yeah, practical development, practical learning is the future, right? So you have to learn by doing. राइट, दैट्स समथिंग आई बिलीव इन, दैट लर्न बाय डूइंग, करके सीखो, है ना। आप थियरी कर पढ़ के क्या कर लोगे, तो जितना आप करोगे, जितना आप चीजें एक्चुअल इंडस्ट्री में अपने आप को फेंकोगे बाहर, आप उतना ज्यादा सीखोगे। यू वर्क विद रियल पीपल, यू वर्क विद रियल एक्सपर्ट्स, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू लर्न। आपको एक जगह बैठ के बस पढ़ लिया, कुछ थियरी पढ़ लिया, बुक्स पढ़ ली, उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। द मोर यू डू, the more you learn, as simple as that.
We discussed about AI. We discussed about the LLMs. We also discussed about theory versus practical. Now a student, let's say in his or her first year of engineering, and they want to go ahead and crack, let's say, internships, right? And they want to see those early success, right? So how they should prepare, and what are the things they should focus, the prioritization level.
Yeah, I think I was talking about it a little earlier. So start early, मतलब जितनी जल्दी आपको जो भी सामने दिख रहा है, आप pick something, you pick a problem statement, solve for it, and just build on top of it. As simple as that. Go open source if you can as early as possible. And prioritization I think automatically हो जाती है when you start doing what you like. ठीक है, आप उसको ऑटोमेटिकली प्रायोरिटाइज कर ही लेते हो, तो आई डोंट थिंक आपको अलग से कुछ प्रायोरिटाइजेशन को सोचने की जरूरत है. यू ट्राई टू डू व्हाट यू लव, एंड आई थिंक दैट ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम्स योर प्रायोरिटी.
Great. We had a lovely discussion, and to keep it very short in clips, can you summarize your journey? I would say, because your journey is really it's awesome, right? During your first year of engineering, you have cracked one of the toughest global competition, right? For a larger audience, so GSOC में ना हर साल selection ratio is around 1100 to 1200. This is worldwide. बस 1100 या 1200 लोग ही select होते हैं. It is such tough competition, right? And GD, तुमने first year में ही एक बार नहीं, you have cracked twice, right? You have built your own company, Mentro. You are a founder there. You are a full-time, full stack developer, right? You have built, as per my knowledge, you have built around 15-25 apps, I guess. Yeah. So can you summarize it? What are you chasing?
I think my passion, I think that's simply to put, right? I just love building. I love solving problems. I'm a problem solver at core. So whenever I see a problem, I try to solve it. That's what I've been doing from my first year of college as well, and even today. So if you're a problem solver at core, so जितना भी AI आ जाए, जितना भी कुछ डेवलपमेंट हो जाए, I think you'll still find enough problems in the world to solve, है ना? तो you just stay at it. So just coming back to my journey, so I come from a tier 3 college, and it's a government college again, so we had no real exposure in terms from a college which probably SITM is very different what you guys are building here. I would say I started going online. I used internet a lot. Learned about, I started experimenting as early as possible. So yeah, वहाँ से experiment किया. I of course got into these programs like Google Summer of Code. Then I interned at a bunch of startups, US based startups, Euro based startups. Then I worked at companies like Geo, Vedantu as software engineer. I also happened to work with Google as well, with their Australia team. From there it just kick-started. I started, so this company which you are talking about, it started as a side project. तो इसको मेरे को कभी ऐसा था नहीं कि मेरे को कंपनी बनाना है. मैंने अपने फाइनल ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज में जस्ट एज अ साइड प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया इसको, एंड इट turned out the way it is, right? So I think you never plan for things. I always tried to solve a problem which was thrown at me, and yeah, it turned out the way it has, right? So just keep at it, and do things you love. I think success will follow, and great things will come to you at your own.
Nice. So we are almost at the last phase of our introduction, and I want to open the window for Q&A. So anyone, any student or any faculty members or any parents out there, if you want to ask any question, from JD, you can directly hit.
So before passing the mic, I will be asking the first question. So let's say I own a small welding company. As you know, welding is used even in manufacturing of rocket and satellites. So how do I apply AI in my welding workshop?
See, of course, it's a very specific niche down question. So you see the practical implications of it, right? AI बस AI use करने के लिए मत करो. There are a lot of businesses. आप साड़ी के फैक्ट्री में जाओगे, वहां पे अगर वो पूछोगे कि आप AI कहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हो, तो वो लोग क्या बोलेंगे, right? So AI is not a fancy thing. It's you use it जहां पे आपको जरूरत है, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई काम 100 लोग कर रहे हैं, यू फील इट्स अ मोनोटोनस जॉब एंड यू थिंक दैट एआई कैन रिप्लेस इट, गो फॉर इट, जस्ट एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू विल सी ये जो बड़े बड़े कंपनीज है, गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ये लोग ले ऑफ्स भी कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे आर रिप्लेसिंग पीपल विथ एआई. तो आई वुड से एआई का प्राइमरी जॉब अभी एज करंट ट्रेंड इज replacing monotonous work. It's not really replacing humans. It's only replacing कि जो काम बहुत ही एक तरीके का है और बहुत रिपीटेड टाइम्स हो रहा है, उस चीज को एआई रिप्लेस कर दे रहा है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स, इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट लाइक दैट इन योर वेल्डिंग कंपनी, गो फॉर इट.
Anyone else?
गुड आफ्टरनून सर. सर एआई को यूज करके सर ह्यूमन का जो स्किल्स है, मतलब विदाउट डिस्ट्रॉइंग ऑफ द ह्यूमन स्किल्स, सर हम एआई को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं सर?
यार मतलब फाउंडेशनली सोचो, यू सी थिंग्स दैट प्रॉब्ली, अगेन एज आई आंसर टू हिज क्वेश्चन एज वेल, पहली चीज तो मोनोटोनस चीजें रिप्लेस करो, जो चीज आप बार बार कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप एक गूगल शीट में रोज एंट्री करते हो, जस्ट टेकिंग अ वेरी बेसिक एग्जाम्पल, राइट? उस चीज को आप एक एजेंट लगा दो. सो एजेंट इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट दैट यू शुड एक्सप्लोर. तो आप ऐसे मल्टीपल एजेंट्स बना सकते हो अपने कंप्यूटर में जो डिफरेंट चीजें कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ एजेंट विच मैनेजेस योर कैलेंडर. ठीक है, आपके डिफरेंट मीटिंग्स होते हैं दिन में, आपको डिफरेंट काम करना होता है, उसके लिए वो एजेंट आपका पूरा टाइम मैनेज कर देता है, राइट? इस तरह से आप बहुत सारे डिफरेंट एजेंट्स अपने लिए स्पिन अप कर सकते हो विच कैन हेल्प यू मैनेज योर टाइम. तो आई थिंक टाइम इज मनी. तो आई वुड से जस्ट टू गिव वन एग्जाम्पल कि कहाँ पे एआई यूज करो, यूज इट टू मैनेज योर टाइम. तो अगर आप टाइम मैनेज कर लोगे तो आई थिंक इट यूल मोर और लेस आर सॉर्टेड.
थैंक यू सर.
Anyone else?
Good afternoon, sir. So my question is, in the next 5 years, which career will grow and which might disappear?
Yeah, I think in technology space, to be very particular, I think the traditional jobs of full stack developer, front end developer, back end developer, these are going to be extinct, right? Because of course AI is doing it for you. A lot of new roles will be opening up, such as forward deployed engineer, where these engineers will actually be required to work closely with the customers, राइट? तो अब वो वाला दिन चला गया कि जब आप बस, आपका मैनेजर आपको काम दे रहा है, आप बैठ के अपना कोडिंग कर रहे हो और काम हैंड ओवर कर दे रहे हो. यू विल ऑल्सो नाउ रिक्वायर टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमन स्टफ, जहाँ पे आप कस्टमर्स के साथ एक्चुअली बात कर रहे हो, उनके प्रॉब्लम समझ रहे हो और फिर वो प्रॉब्लम लेके वापस आ रहे हो और यूजिंग एआई टू सॉल्व इट, राइट? So a lot of human part is coming back, which is a good thing actually. So I think this is a role, the forward deployed engineer is a role which I think is going to be a very big is going to attain a big market share in the near future.
Hello, sir. My question is, what skills are essential to become a successful IT industrialist, or how can we deal with failure?
Yeah, I think the only answer to that is probably discipline, right? You take any field, if you are able to do the boring thing every day, right? You talk about Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is probably the greatest, batsman that the world has ever seen. So he's probably one of the most disciplined people out there. He eats the same food every day, right? Although he comes from Delhi, and Delhi में आपको पता ही है किस तरह के खाने मिलते हैं. तो आई थिंक बट ही स्टिल चोज दैट पाथ जहाँ पे वो सेम चीज रोज कर रहा है, बट स्टिल इज नॉट गेटिंग बोर्ड, राइट? सो आई थिंक दैट्स द सेम फंडा दैट अप्लाइज टू एनी डोमेन. यू कीप डिसिप्लिन्ड, यू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड, आप सेम चीज करो, एक डायरेक्शन में मूव करो, यू सेट अ गोल फॉर योरसेल्फ, यू कीप डूइंग, यू विल अचीव सक्सेस. सो आई थिंक that's the only advice I would say for any field, not just technology or anything.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I don't have any question right now, but me and my team is came for the award ceremony, and I would like to pitch you a product what we have built related to thyroid cancer detection. Are you up for it?
Absolutely, please.
Okay. So after the talk, we could just sit for 5-10 minutes.
Sure, 100%.
And so one more thing, as we came late to the introduction part, we have missed some of the part. So could you just introduce yourself, what your company does, and what problem it solves?
Sure. So I am a founder of a company called Mentro, right? So Mentro is a new age mentorship platform. So we have an app where and we solve only for the technology space, engineering and product management. It's like the Uber for mentorship. So for example, let's say आपको Swiggy में एक job चाहिए, right? Let's say आपको Swiggy में एक data analyst का job चाहिए. So you come on to our app, you put your target कि भाई मेरे को Swiggy में एक data analyst entry level का job चाहिए. What the app does, it matches you with an entry level data analyst who is working at Swiggy. So this person will mentor you, will help you crack the interviews and even refer you to Swiggy. So it solves the end-to-end hiring and mentorship problem statement. So that's what we are solving. In the past, I have background in software engineering. I've worked at companies like Geo, Trell, Vedantu, Google. As software engineers, I've led engineering teams in the past. So yeah, that's pretty much my background.
Thank you, sir. We'll pitch the product to you after the talk.
Sure, absolutely.
By the way, what product are you building?
Sir, actually, it's a thyroid nodule detection and classification. I had a thyroid nodule in my left lobe of the thyroid gland. So I had to do repeated biopsies. So to cartel that and to assist the doctor with because when the stage is 3, it's very benign. It's a very niche stage where the doctor has to decide if a patient needs the FNAC or not. So we are trying to assist the doctor by analyzing the ultrasound image and then predicting the 5 features of the thyroid nodule, which could be classified cancerous or non-cancerous. We are currently building the product, and also we have secured 10th rank out of 1000 plus teams in VIT Bhopal and John Hopkins University's hackathon.
Very nice.
Thank
Very
you, sir.
nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
We, SITM family, really hope your product will be successful and lot of people will be cured by that.
We would love to meet you backstage.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So a big round of applause for him from everyone. I think this is at the beginning, and we believe that he's gonna achieve something greater today.
How to see future AI automation?
I think I mentioned this to him. Start by automating your own work, right? So whatever you do, let's say you open your calendar every day, you open your logbook every day. Whatever you do in the life of a student, you open your laptop to do work. Whatever work you do, you try to feed that context to an agent, right? You spin up a lot of these agents. Use Claude for your use case, right? Try to automate your work first. Going forward, if I have to talk about the future, I think I covered most of these things. Monotonous work would be automated, right? So no longer humans doing the same work. I was just seeing a video the other day where there was a factory, वो सिलाई की factory होती है ना, जहाँ पे all the workers sit and do this thing. उनके सर पे ऐसे कैमरा लगे हुए हैं अभी. So they are training models. They are training robotic models which will do this silai at scale. Right, so you no longer require people to do those even thread needle things. Robots will do it, right? So right now we are at a stage where a lot of these monotonous work के लिए AI is getting trained, and soon once it's ready, these jobs will be the first to go extinct, right? So yeah, any monotonous work, any place which requires a lot of people to do work, बहुत लोग काम करते हैं वहाँ पे और same काम करते हैं. I think that will be the first places to get completely disrupted. For sure.
Anyone else?
Hello sir, my name is Trishul Singh and I am from the BCA branch. So basically हम लोग भी एक स्टार्टअप के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे जो मेन सेगमेंट है वो गवर्नमेंट रिलेटेड है. हम लोग एक IoT डिवाइस के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, तो उसको रीच करने के लिए हमें बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स के पास अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू अप्रोच एन इन्वेस्टर जो इन सब चीज़ों में हमारी हेल्प कर सकता है स्टार्टअप में, फंडिंग में?
Yeah, I think so. If you're building something for government or related to government, I think there's a fund called or rather a program called Startup India Fund, right? So there's a whole portal for it, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे grants हैं. Grants are basically they give you money, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, and they don't take equity or anything in return, right? So वहाँ पे आपको apply करना पड़ेगा. You have to create a profile, you have to create a company profile there. और वहाँ पे आप अप्लाई करिए, आपको एक इंटरव्यू में बुलाया जाएगा, एक वहाँ पे पैनल रहेगी, वहाँ पे आपको पिच करना पड़ेगा वट एवर यूर बिल्डिंग. ट्राई टू गो विद सम रियल ट्रैक्शन. सो व्हाट आई मीन बाय रियल ट्रैक्शन कि आपने उसको कहीं पे यूज किया है, कुछ लोग उसको यूज करते हैं, लेट्स से 10 लोग यूज करते हैं, 100 लोग यूज करते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को, एंड दे आर फाइंडिंग सम वैल्यू. तो वो डेटा लेके आप जाइए, आप दिखाइए उनको कि यार लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, लोगों को वैल्यू मिल रही है, एंड दिस इज व्हाई यू आर बिल्डिंग इट. आप एक बिजनेस मॉडल सोचिए कि कैसे आप उससे पैसा कमाएंगे. At the end of the day, if you're building something, you have to think a business around it as well, right? How do you make money? So if you can think of that, you go to Startup India, fund, right? You apply there, and more probably you'll get a grant. So government is really investing heavily there, and if you're building something for the government या फिर around that, I think you have a great chance there.
एंड लाइक जो प्रोडक्ट है उसका प्रोटोटाइप हमारे पास में रेडी है, बट हमें अप्रोच करने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट सोल्यूशन क्या होगा? लाइक किसी को अगर हमें अप्रोच करना है तो हमें बेसिकली हमें एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को भी अप्रोच करना है फॉर
There,
इन्वेस्टमेंट.
yeah, I understood. So there are a lot of ways. एक है cold emailing. So if you are going in a traditional direction, cold emailing ये होता है कि आप email IDs निकालिए, लोगों को LinkedIn scrape करके you get the email IDs of investors या फिर founders, और उनको आप email करिए एक pitch, छोटा सा crisp pitch लिख के कि यार ये हम लोगों ने बनाया है. आप वहाँ पे अपने प्रोटोटाइप का लिंक डालिए, एक डेमो वीडियो डालिए कि हाउ डज योर प्रोडक्ट वर्क्स, बिकॉज नो वन हैज द टाइम टू डाउनलोड योर प्रोटोटाइप या फिर यूज इट. आपका वो वीडियो देख लेंगे. तो आप एक मिनट का वीडियो डालिए. पीपल, इफ पीपल इन्वेस्टर्स लाइक इट, they will definitely revert back and initiate a talk. That's how everyone does it. Matlab, cold emails are the way. And also one thing that you can do, which a lot of people are doing, is build in public. So जो भी आप बना रहे हो उसके छोटे छोटे चीजें स्निपेट्स बना के आप इंस्टाग्राम पे डालिए, आप ट्विटर पे डालिए. You never know who sees it. तो ट्विटर पे आप डाल रहे हो, लिंक्डइन पे आप डाल रहे हो, लॉट ऑफ हाई वर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स आर इन दोज प्लेटफॉर्म. तो दे नोटिस यू, दे विल डीएम यू कि यार आपने ये जो बनाया अच्छा लग रहा है, चलो बात करते हैं. So you get on a call, they understand what you're building, और फिर धीरे धीरे बातें आगे बढ़ती है. So that is probably one very new innovative way which is working out very well, and I think you should definitely try it.
थैंक यू सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर. मेरा एक सवाल था कि ऐसा होता है कि whenever we think of this startup scene, तो we always end up कि हम लोग को कब कैसा क्या करना चाहिए. So if you were an 18-year-old and आपको सब कुछ स्क्रैच से शुरू करना है, because you have already cracked GSOC twice and it's impressive. So what would you do differently?
I would definitely first try to sell the idea. I won't start building directly. I would try to create some sort of prototype या some sort of first version which does not needs to be very good looking या फिर एकदम excellent नहीं होना चाहिए वो. एक फर्स्ट बेसिक वर्जन या फिर नहीं भी, आई वुड एक्चुअली प्रेफर नॉट टू इवन बिल्ड दैट, बट आई वुड लाइक टू सेल द आइडिया. ठीक है, अगर मैं उसके अराउंड कुछ एक बना के लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ वेबसाइट या सम सॉर्ट ऑफ वेट लिस्ट, if I can create a waitlist website, a waitlist Google form as well, if I can put out that on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn, like if I would be there, I would to do this. I would take that idea, I would talk a lot about it on social media and see how the crowd reacts. If I see definite engagement, I would understand there is a need for what I'm trying to build. Other people are also facing the same problem. So I would first validate what I am going to build. So I would validate that, and then probably with sufficient amount of validation, उसके बाद ही मैं build करने उतरूंगा कुछ भी. So I think that's the only major thing which I didn't do, back when I was building. I started coming from an engineering background. I started building things early. मैं पहले बना दिया चीज, फिर मैंने उतरा मार्केट में कि अब इसको बेचते हैं. I would definitely do the reverse if I have to again start. So yeah.
So one more thing, that you have came out from a tier 3 college, cracking GSOC twice. So I was just wondering and wanted to know from you, क्या कॉलेज का नाम बस एक मिथ है और an excuse?
Yeah, मतलब of course to answer your question, college really doesn't matter in terms of when you go to the industry, right? See, there are so many good people, so many great people who are not from IITs, who are not from the best colleges in the world, but still are doing so well in the market. So definitely what you do, the kind of proof of work which I was talking about, वो आप जो बनाते हो over your 4 years of any college wherever you are, तो वो I think ज़्यादा matter करता है. And of course with being associated with these colleges like SITM, it helps you get the मतलब kickstart early. तो I would say कि definitely answering your question, that really doesn't matter. At certain cases, I would say, for example, अगर आप फंडिंग उठाने जा रहे हो, still the investors would prefer कि जो IIT दिल्ली का पर्सन अप्लाई कर रहा है उसको पहले इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाएगा probably, because it's a bias कि भाई अच्छा ये लोग ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है, and it's fair as well, I personally feel. तो so yeah, I would say कि वहाँ पे definitely थोड़ा बहुत मैटर करता है, but still if you are really passionate about what you are doing, it really doesn't matter. बिना तेरे ना एक पल हो, ना बिन तेरे कभी कल हो, ये दिल बन जाए पत्थर का, ना इसमें कोई हलचल हो. It was great conversation having with you, and thank you so much, JD, for coming and sharing such beautiful insights. Thank you so much. It was lovely audience and lovely interacting with you.